Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply repost on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is go into your Play Store and search for the TikTok application and make sure that it's updated. If it's not, just do it because this is the recent feature which is not available on the previous versions of TikTok. So when you're done with it, go into your TikTok application and open it up. And once you do it, go into your profile. This is kind of a page that would appear up. Eventually get into your videos. Once you get there, tap on this dotted bar freelance option and there would be an option for save the video. Once the video has been saved, just come back and eventually tap on create a post, go into the upload and you can go and repost the video on TikTok this way. Secondly, there is another method and that is to repost another person's video, and that is to go into discover and look for any of the video that you want to repost. For example, this is a video that needs to be reposted or you want it to be reposted. So eventually what you can do is go into this share icon, and once you do that, so you would have there an option of repost. And if it's not there because that person has not enabled his repost option, so you can look for another video. So you can always go into some other video and look for a repost option or save it. Once you save it, and you can add it on. So you save it, and once the save has been done, just go and create a post and you can upload the video from there. So this is how you do it. This is how you repost on TikTok. I hope you guys liked the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.